Samantala, handog ng Pag-ibig Fund ang mahigit 20,000 housing units para sa mga Cebuano sa pamamagitan ng ilulunsad nilang housing fair. Yan ang umarangkadang balita ni Clark Pasuit.
Mas marami ng Pilipino ang may sarili ng bahay. Yan ang layunin ng Pag-ibig Fund, kaya't ilulunsad nila ang Pag-ibig Fund Housing Fair 2026 sa Cebu. Alinsunod na rin sa mandato ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., ginawa ng extended ang dating pambansang pabahay para sa Pilipino program o mas kilala bilang 4PH. Ngayon, mas madali nang magkabahay sa ilalim ng Pag-ibig program. Bukod pa riyan, ang pagpapaayos ng bahay, renovation at improvements ay maaari na ring i-loan sa Pag-ibig.
The 4PH program then provided for socialized condominium units. But now what we have done under the leadership of Secretary Jose Ramon Aliling is to expand the program so that there are more what we call modalities or housing options for members to choose from. So not only condominium units, but also we now have socialized housing units. We also address the need of home improvement through the programs I mentioned earlier. That is why it's expanded. And because of that, we are on track. The Marcos administration is on track to achieve the highest number of housing units financed over the course of the administration. But again, you're correct. There is much more work needed to address the housing backlog, and this housing fair is part of the solution that we are undertaking.
Gaganapin ang Pag-ibig Housing Fair 2026 bukas hanggang Mayo 1, kung saan mahigit 20,000 housing units ang pwedeng mapasakamay ng mga members ng Pag-ibig Fund. Handog ng housing fair ang mas mababang interest rates at on-the-spot approval kung saan pwede nang magkabahay sa loob lang ng isang buwan.
Our Pag-ibig Fund members, for all Filipino workers here in Cebu City and here in Visayas, our housing fair tomorrow is part of our efforts to address the directive of President Marcos to bring home access, home ownership, and the access to Pag-ibig Fund's affordable home loans to more Filipino workers.
Mula sa Cebu, Clark Pasuit ng PRTV News, nagsaserbisyo para sa Pilipino.